Most people struggle to build even one income stream because the process feels so complicated. You have to find offers, build websites, write content, and somehow get traffic. Wi-Fi Cash Bot removes all of that and gives you 5 income streams you can turn on instantly. Here's the key difference. Instead of starting from zero, you're stepping into a system that already has done for you campaigns across multiple networks, like ClickBank, JBZoo, and Warrior Plus. The moment you tap to activate, you're live with offers in several markets at once. And because the platform includes its own AI traffic engine, you don't need to figure out ads or spend hours on social media. The traffic is directed automatically to each of your income streams. That means you're not stuck relying on just one offer. You've got multiple chances to earn, all from one dashboard. If you're ready to stop overcomplicating affiliate marketing, tap the link in my description and sign up for Wi-Fi Cashbot today.